Hey, it's Chris from Duffy Floors, and we're down here in my workshop. I'm working on a project in Somerville that I'm recreating part of a border that was taken out from a chest or a built-in or something that was there, and there's just a void in the floor. But it's a really wide border. I think it's about 18 to 22 inches wide, and it's made up of quartered white oak, mahogany, and a whole bunch of different sizes of that. So it's part of it is a Greek key border that we're making up, and this is a example of a Greek key border. It has a different wood of different colors on either side, so it gives this key effect going around the room. So we're going to recreate this border. I've also worked on some corner blocks with a border pattern. You usually have a corner block. This was the damaged corner block that I needed to recreate. Really, really interesting stuff. This stuff was put in, the house was built in 1888. I believe that this floor was put down in the late teens or 20s. It was a very intricate pattern that they actually had a paper face and burlap canvas back. So they adhered it with glue like that. They would bring it in and put it down, and then they would top nail it. Those are what the nail holes are. And I needed to recreate this. And so I've done it here with this pattern, and we've made this up out of quartered white oak and mahogany. So that's going to be the corner block that we're working on. Now the Greek key border, I had to get some mahogany, and usually we're working with a 3/4 inch stock. So here at Duffy Floors, we're milling up the stock to make it work. It's all different sizes. I've got sizes of 2 1/4, 2 inch, 1 7/8, 1 3/8, 1.5 inches, 1 1/4, all within this border. So we've made up some other stock here. This is the quarter sawn white oak, and these are the strips that are going to make up the Greek key border, along with the mahogany that I have here. So, here at Duffy Floors, we love saving old floors. We recreate border patterns, inlays, designs, medallions, all of that. We can do it all. We can help you out patching your floors. We can sand and refinish your floors. We do all sorts of staining and polyurethaning. So for all of your wood flooring needs and for your custom work where you need borders or inlays patched in from years gone by, give us a call. I'm at 781-395-3418, or look us up on the web at Duffyfloors.com. This is Chris. Talk to you next time.